In this video, we will be showing you how to manage the Broadworks Anywhere feature using the hosted VoIP phone system user portal. Broadworks Anywhere is a feature in the Complete package. It allows you to configure the fixed and mobile phones you would like to link to your account. When you receive a call, all locations will ring at the same time. If you place an outbound call from a soft client or toolbar, you will be able to use one of the configured locations for the originating call, but your outbound caller ID information will show your primary line information. From the Calling Features tab, scroll down and locate the Call Control section, or choose Call Control from the Service Type drop-down box, then locate Broadworks Anywhere. To view numbers or locations you have already configured for the Broadworks Anywhere feature, click the View button. This section will expand and present any numbers that have been entered. You will also be able to select whether you wish for all locations to be alerted for click-to-dial calls. This is useful if you are using a soft client to initiate an outbound call, but you want to handle the call from a secondary device, such as your mobile phone or home phone. The recipient of the call will still receive caller ID information as if the call was being generated from your main office line. To remove a phone number from the Broadworks Anywhere feature, place a check mark in the Delete box for the row corresponding to the number you wish to remove. Then click one of the Save buttons located at the top or bottom of the page. To activate a number and begin having calls presented to that location at the same time as the main phone, place a check mark in the Active box for the row containing the phone number you wish to begin using. Then click one of the Save buttons. To edit a phone number, click the Edit button that corresponds with the number you wish to change. A pop-up menu will open. Here you may edit the phone number calls are being offered to, change the description associated with that number, and enable or disable the location. You may also change the outbound alternate phone number or SIP URI. This setting is optional and is used when an alternate number needs to be dialed to reach the Broadworks Anywhere location. The diversion inhibitor will force the system to bypass voicemail if enabled. Instead, the call will continue to ring. Enabling answer confirmation will require the person answering the call at a remote location to press any key on the phone's keypad to accept the call. This prevents the call from being answered by a remote location's voicemail service, such as your mobile voicemail or home answering machine. Broadworks-based call control services allow for some call control functions, such as call transfer and three-way conferencing, to work while you are handling a call answered through the Broadworks Anywhere feature. Please note, this should not be enabled for an intelligent device such as a smartphone. Click the Add Rule button if you wish to add criteria to select the times you want to be presented with calls to your Broadworks Anywhere locations. Enter a description, then select whether or not the criteria should prompt an alert. Apply a time schedule or holiday schedule to the rule. Schedules can be added and modified through the Profile tab of the hosted VoIP phone system user portal, or you may schedule schedules that have been created by an administrator. Choose the type of calls that will apply to this rule. Options include calls from any phone number, or you may select specific phone numbers by choosing any of the following phone numbers. If you choose to specify the numbers used, checkboxes are available for any private number and any unavailable number, or you may add up to 12 phone numbers or digit patterns in the boxes below. You may use wildcard characters when entering phone numbers. The question mark can be used to replace a single digit anywhere in the phone number. Star may be used at the end of a string of numbers. For example, if you wish to have a Broadworks Anywhere ring at all locations from all phone numbers with a 419 area code, enter 419 star. Click the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up box to save your settings. Then click one of the Save buttons located at either the top or bottom of the page to save your changes. For more information about our products and services, please visit our support page at telesystem.us.